Hi! Today, we're going to show you how to make a short film using Picsart Flow. We'll walk through the process behind it, exploring which nodes, AI models, and creative hacks you can use to achieve this result. This film tells the story of a boy who always dreamed of building a plane and flying it. As an adult, he fulfills his childhood dream by becoming an airplane engineer. Okay, let's go to Picsart Flow. First, we need to generate a character for our story using an image node. We add a text node to write a prompt. Click Add manually and describe what kind of character we want. Connect the prompt with the image node. Choose an AI model. We prefer Nano Banana Pro and click Generate. Here we see the result. Now we need to generate an image of the same person as an adult, so we connect one more image node. We choose the model and write a prompt. As we want to get an image of him in his workplace, we add that detail in the prompt and click Generate. Great! We have gotten the result. We need one more image of the office, but now zoomed out. Again, we add an image node. Write the prompt, choose the model, and click Generate. Here is the result of the zoomed-out image. Now, we want to animate this scene. We add a video node. For this video, we prefer Kling V2.6 Pro model. Then we add a text node to write the prompt based on what we want to achieve. We connect it with the video node. And in video node, click Generate. Here is the generated video. Let's check it out. It looks good. Let's go to the next scene. For that, we need to add a new video node and connect the first two images to it. As we want to make a transition between these images, choose the model, add text node, and write a prompt. Connect it to the video node and click Generate. Let's check the results. This is exactly what we wanted to see. For the next scene, we want to generate a video in which the boy raises his hand and is holding a paper plane. We add new image node connected to the image of the boy. Choose Nano Banana Pro. Add text node and write a prompt connecting it to the image node. Click Generate. Here is the image. To animate the image, let's add a new video node. Connect the boy's image to it. As a first frame of the video and the newly generated image with a paper plane as the last frame. Again, choose the model. Add text node. Write a prompt. Very often we have to write detailed prompts to get the results we want, and connect it to the video node. Click Generate. Let's check out the result. It looks great. For the next scene, add a new video node. Kling V2.6 Pro. New text node, and write a prompt. Again, we write a detailed prompt. Here, we want him to throw the plane. Connect it to the video node. Connect the image of the boy with the paper plane. And click Generate. Okay, let's check out the result. This looks good. It just needs to be cut by 1 to 2 seconds from the end. Now, let's make the next scene. For that, we need to add a new image node. Choose Nano Banana Pro. Add a new text node and connect it to the image node. Write a prompt to generate a scene with a window of the boy's house, and through the window, the plane will fly to the next scene. Click Generate. We like the result, as it is relevant to the room and style of previous scenes. For the next scene, new video node and new text node. Add a detailed prompt to generate a static camera video, but with dynamic motion of the paper plane. Connect it to the video node, and in the video node, let's choose the same AI model. Then connect the image of the window to it.
Checking the result, which is quite good.
For the next scene, add a new image node. Again, Nano Banana Pro, to keep the same style of the generated images. Add text node. Add a prompt to generate a scene where the boy will look out the window and smile. Connect it to the image node. Then the image with the window and the image of the boy connect to the image node. And click Generate. Here is the child looking out the window and smiling. And next, to make the image move, we add a new video node. Choosing the same AI model, and add a text node and write a prompt. Connect the text node with the video node. Also, the last generated image with the boy looking out the window should be connected to the video node. Click Generate. Checking the video, looks good. For the next scene, we need the last frame of the video, so let's extract it with the frame extractor. Great, we have it. This will serve as a first frame for the next scene. We need to generate one more image as the last frame, which we can create from the image we have, with Nano Banana Pro. Add a text node. Write a prompt to generate the same scene, only with the boy's eyes closed, and connect it to the image node. Generate. Here is the result, which works. Next, let's make a transition between these two images, where the boy closes his eyes. Connect the images with a video node. Add text node. Writing a prompt. Connecting it to the video node. Click Generate. Play and check it. Looks good. It just needs to go a bit faster. For the next scene, we need images of clouds. To generate them, let's add a new text node. Write a prompt. Connect two image nodes with Nano Banana Pro model. And click Generate. For both, we got an error here, so let's try one more time. Here are the images of the clouds. These are what I need. Different images, but in one style. Now, we have to make a transition from this scene to the scene with the clouds. For that, we add a new video node. Choose the same AI model. Add text node. Write a detailed prompt. Connect the last frame of the preview scene as the first frame of the new scene. And connect one of the cloud images to the new video node as the last frame to make a transition between the window scene and the clouds. Connect text node as well and click Generate. Here we get a transition scene. Next, we need camera movement in the clouds. For that, again, we create a new video node. Choose the same AI model. Add text node and detailed prompt. Connect it to the video node. And then connect the images of the clouds to the video node. Click Generate. Let's see the result. It's great. Let's move it back to its place. For the next scene, we need a new image node connected to the boy's image. Add a text node. Write a prompt to where the boy sits inside a giant paper plane surrounded by dreamy, cartoonish elements, and connect it to the image node. Click Generate. We like the results. Now let's generate the next scene. Connecting the second image of the clouds as the first frame of the new video, and the last generated image of the paper plane. Add text node. Write a detailed prompt to get the transition.
Add it to the video node and click Generate. We like the result.
This needs to be put in its place. For the next scene, we need the last frame from this video. Let's extract it again with the frame extractor. For the next scene, we add a video node with the same AI model. Connect the extracted image to the video node and add a new text node. Write a prompt and add it to the video node too. Click Generate. Here is the result. We like it. Next, let's extract the last frame from the video. Add new video mode. Connect the extracted image to the video node and also connect the zoomed out office scene to the video node as well. Let's write a prompt. I want to make a transition from the extracted image back to the office and make the camera zoom out from the guy's eye and connect it to the node as well. Click Generate. Check it. Love what we got. Next, we want to generate a scene with some blueprints of airplanes. We add image and text nodes. Choose an AI model and write a prompt. Click Generate. Here are the blueprints of the airplane. Next, I want to generate a video to have a transition from the guy's zoomed-out image to the blueprints. We connect the images to the video node as the first and the last frames. Write a prompt of what we want to see, and click Generate. Here is the video. We like it. Now let's generate the last frame, the end card with the Picsart logo. Again, add a video node with the same AI model. Connect the image with the airplane blueprints and the Picsart logo. Add a text node and write a prompt. Connect it to the video node and click Generate. Let's check it out. Love this. Great! We have created all the scenes for our short film. The only thing left to do is to connect all the frames, which you can easily do in the Picsart video editor.